your time of the year, Jesus!
Wow, thanks, guys. But this is a little weird.
Weird? What do you mean? We do this every year.
Yes, but I haven't seen you all year.
Well, now's your time to shine, Jesus. Yeah, you put the Christ in Christmas. Well, yeah, you're the reason for the season.
Yes, but I don't want to be the reason for just this season. I want to be with you in every season of your life.
Oh, that is so sweet, Jesus. Thank you for being born. You're such a cute little baby.
Oh, wait.
Okay, but I'm not a baby anymore.
No crib for...
And I'm not in a manger. Okay, I'm in a manger. But it's more than that. I want a relationship with you every day.
Well, Jesus, you have Easter to look forward to. Yeah, and technically a day around the flagpole of prayer, right? Oh, and Thanksgiving, kind of yours too.
Yeah, but I want more than just the holidays, guys. I want an everyday relationship with you.
Jesus, you are in my life every day. I mean, I've got a cross on my wall and a fish on my car.
Yeah, I mean, Jesus, we know you're here all year long.
If you know I'm here all year long, why do you keep treating me like I'm not?
Do you still have that plastic, Jesus?